Bhopal unit carbide plant, if people knew that you put a wet handkerchief and on your nose, and then you breathe through the wet handkerchief, H2O, water will interact with methyl isocyanate, MIC, which is a gas which came out, and the cyanide part of it gets neutralized. There was a girl, a Canadian girl called Tilly Smith, who was in Bangkok, who was actually in the sea, in the beach, enjoying the beach along with her family, and she saw the sea water receding, and she shouted, "There's a tsunami." The water went turbid, it became muddy, and the sea went back, and she shouted, "There's a tsunami." And so she was actually able to alert people, and 1,500 people's lives were saved by Tilly Smith because she had seen that this is a tsunami. What they do is to put a wire inside a pipe, and at both ends of the wires in the pipe, you put a wireless, monitor. So a wireless sensor. So when the landslide is about to begin, the wire starts stretching. So when the wire starts stretching, then the wireless signals which go to a control room are able to basically sense the people that there is actually pressure getting built up. So the technology is pretty straightforward. I've seen this in Guatemala, in Central America, where they use a wire inside a bamboo pole. So you can actually use a wire even within a bamboo pole, and then put wireless sensors. There in Guatemala, actually the local communities did not know about wireless sensors. What they did was to put a bell. So the bell starts clanking when the wire starts stretching. So local communities actually use indigenous local wisdom and technology what is available. And in Maharashtra, in Latur, people started using the bells which are put around the cow's neck. You see that in the villages, the cows when they go, they have this bell around the neck, and so this bell keeps making a noise. So in Maharashtra, what they did was to put a string and then put the bell of the cow, bell on the cow's neck, on the door frame. So when the earthquake is coming, it starts rattling. So if you're sleeping inside, you can actually listen to the clanking of the bell which is on your door frame, and you know that yes, the tremors are happening. So you wake up because the bells start giving you early morning. In Puerto Rico, when we had the recent hurricane, the entire Puerto Rico had the problem of power disruptions. And that power is one of the first things which actually go down when there is a major disaster. And you also have second generation problems. You have, when there is a power outage, you will also have problems like, if there are gas pipelines, you might also have fire which can happen. You might also have many other problems. So an entire, city was provided, with solar power to provide alternate power. From the US, they started flying in, a lot of, panels which can actually put together the restoration of power. What we have tried to do is to basically give you a range of possibilities. Okay? Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.